Hmm. For example, oh, what happened? Okay. For example, I'm taking this. Here, the key important one is this one, this one, Chandra. So when you select this, whatever the criteria here you are mentioning, it can be age, or it can be a time type, it can be a location specific. For example, I want to remove certain plans from the employees who is working in Chicago. So then I can create an eligibility rule based on the location equal to Chicago, and I can add this rule to my passive event. Okay.
I
And
see.
second question is, which plan you want to remove from employees from Chicago location? All the plans or only specific plans? That is controlled by this benefit event. When you set this benefit event, it has a coverage type. This coverage type we will use in the benefit plan, correct? It is
Yeah.
controlled like, to make it simple, for whom you want to remove the plan is controlled by the eligibility rule. What plans needs to be removed is controlled by the event, sir. Okay. Remaining are standard. These are free text fields you can create.
Okay.
Okay. So age group related. Even if you see the existing one, which has the workday delivered sample, once you say, all are age related. Nothing specific. Remove the age plan from the employee.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So today we'll talk about the most interesting part, open enrollment. The open enrollment actually it divided into two things. One thing is setup, configuration setup. Second thing is checks, or you can also call it a checklist. The reason is you are going to inform all your eligible employees. After informing, you notice some discrepancies at plan level. It's very hard to manage and maintain, correct? For
Yeah.
example, I send the enrollments for 10,000 people, and they are all under the assumptions my benefit partner has triggered properly. I'm going to enroll. Now they're facing a lot many challenges. Assume 10,000 people, if they will raise one incident, 10,000 incidents will stand in the queue. Correct? To
Yeah.
avoid all that, we have to follow a checklist. Strictly, we have to follow a checklist. First, let's talk about. Let's create the benefit plan open enrollment setup. Before initiating, we have a document. I will share the document with you as well. The benefits open enrollment checklist document. Okay.
Okay.
So first, let me explain the setup. The setup remains same. There's no big difference. We need to create a plan year definition, benefit plan year definition first. Let me from the scratch. Create a benefit event exclusively for open enrollment. Okay, we have a different open enrollment event, and then map or assign the event under enrollment event rules. Third one, create a plan year definition exclusively for open enrollment window. After setting up all these, okay, we will proceed create open enrollment sorry, open enrollment. I mean, it should be, let me call it as initiate open enrollment, and then send the reminder, and then run the open enrollment events status report. Okay, so these are the steps we have to talk. Of course, plan definition. Checklist also we have to follow. What we will do is quickly, we'll go ahead and set up all these three. And then before going to initiate it, I will explain what the checklist we have to follow. Okay.
Okay.
So create a open enrollment event. This is a different one than the regular one. Event type. Give the name AMD open enrollment 2022. So as part of this open enrollment, what are all coverages you would like to offer? So I'm going to select healthcare plans we created, AMD healthcare plan, and also I'm selecting medical plan and insurance we created. AD, and of course you can select more than that, any health savings if you want to. Okay, or even the 401k. So whatever the plans you want to allow your employees to enroll in the year of 2022, it will be initiated in the month of Jan or in the month of Feb or March up to customer requirements. Select this one, and then this open enroll must be applicable for countries USA, United States of America. Okay, standard one. Days to enroll. Anyhow, we will control over the remainder. I mean, in the what you call initial plan year. For now, let's say 30 days from the initiation date. Okay. So this is checkbox. If you select, what will happen is if there is any future dated event, it's not going to future dated event is nothing but if any employees already initiated this event with future dated, so this will stop. Okay. Not reprocess, no idea. I will explain you, sir, once I check back. Select this event. And once the event you have selected, the next step is go to the edit enrollment event rule, select the rule effective from 1/1/2022. Scroll down, enrollment event type, AMD open enrollment, and what all coverage steps you want to, here you have to select again. So make sure whatever you have selected under open enrollment events, all should be listed here. AMD 401k, AMD flexible, healthcare, and savings. child, employee, spouse. Okay. If any employees, new hires, or you want to keep them in waiting period, you can keep the waiting period 30 days. Of course, though you have to keep the waiting with 30 days, you have an option to override. That's also we will discuss. Uh, and let's say coverage begin date, direction begin date on the event date itself. I'm going, I'm going to the coverage rule, select arrow button. So coverage type standards. Insert any plan. Additional depends are allowed since it is an enrollment. If you want to waive off any plans, then you can select may remove dependents. If any event which you want to remove the plans. So far we're talking about only assign the plans. Dependent type allowed, child, domestic partner, spouse. All our plans are combination of only these. Okay. Someone created duplicate values, so I selected the same. Defaulting rules, default to current action or waive. I'm selecting this one, standard one. Okay. Yeah. The next one, once you create an event exclusive for open enrollment, map or assign the enrollment event rules, and then create a plan year definition and ensure all your plans are part of whatever you're initiating are part of this benefit plan open enroll window. Create benefit plan year definition. And the open enrollment 2022 2022 start date 1/1/2022 end date 30 year of the year end date. Next year again 2023 open enrollment we will initiate 31/12/31. One thing we have to keep in mind or remember, whenever you're initiating any benefit plans with this year end date, remember sir, on 12, if 12/31/2022 is over, which means 01/01/01/2023 is triggered. What are the plans you have assigned to an employee with the help of these plan year definitions? The plans are completely blank. So make sure we have to extend the dates on time. Okay. So common, yeah. So here select. I think I already did the grouping. That's the reason we are not able to see here. That expected. This is correct. The reason why we are not able to see here is once you assign any benefit plan under Under a plan year definition, the plans won't be available to assign. The same thing happened here. The one we already grouped all our plans here, so that's the reason. Since I already gave the same dates, I will go with this only. But ensure I will search whether all the plans have been mapped here. Okay, retirement 401k. Okay, DMD not required. We'll go with this plan here. No need to create a new one. Now, here is an important point, sir. This is setup. Before you go to initiate it, you have to do a pre-check. Oh, no. Sir, the background noise is it you're feeling more and disturbing or it's manageable?
Yeah, it's manageable.
Thank you. Okay. So now here, first check what are the benefit plans you are going to initiate. Check the eligibility rules of the benefit plan. Dependent rules. And also check the insurance coverage. Okay. And the most importantly, make sure no benefit events are in progress during open enrollment. Any reason, sir, why we have this mandatory recommendation from Workday? Make sure no benefit events should be in progress. Any idea?
Of course, I mean, if it's open, you're kind of asking during open enrollment, you're doing the same thing, so it probably doesn't make sense.
Exactly.
You
So
have
if
two events open at the same time.
correct, correct. Oh my God, I'm on shift today. I'm sorry.
You have to go. That's fine if you have to. I understand.
No problem, sir. No problem, no problem. So actually, I have a one document which we created based on the Workday recommendation. I would like to show that, but I have to search for the document. So make sure no benefit events are in progress. As you mentioned, correct. When you initiate open enrollment, what happens is if any employee has in progress transactions, so automatically the in progress transactions will cause a blockers for the open enrollment events. It will goes on hold. That's the reason Workday asks us cancel all the events. Okay, I will cancel all the events. How to cancel it? Any option, sir?
You go into that event and then, um, yeah, I don't know. I don't know.
Okay, no problem, sir. The reason is you have a task called access task mass cancel business process. Remember all these points, sir. They're very really helpful.
Okay.
Mass cancel all the business process. Select here business process type. A search for CHANGE benefit election. Change benefits. Change benefits. And also change benefits life event. And also passive event. and which means all the benefit events we are canceling, sir. From when I would like to initiate this open enrollment, assume we are currently in the March, okay, but assume normally it happens in the year end, right?
Yeah.
First Jan or Feb. I'm certain first two. As of today, whatever the in progress transactions are available on the 3 business process, I would like to cancel. So select OK. Give the from to movement. You see 21 events are available, sir. Okay. Now what you do, select all. Okay, which means we are canceling these events. Out of 21, how many you want to cancel? 21. Would you like to inform anyone? No. No notification must be triggered. You can enter the comment here. As part of open enrollment, we are canceling all the benefit events which are in progress. So we can give a comment, please connect with your benefit partner for more information, or after initiating open enrollment, you can proceed to enroll yourself. Okay, done. Okay, we have canceled all the events. First step. The second step is this one, initiate open enrollment. Go to the task. This is a big process, but I will give overview first. After the task, initiate open enrollment. So which benefit groups you want to initiate? USS salaried. You can select more than one. Active events, employees in USS salaried. What is the event? The one we created. Active events. AMD open enrollment 2022. This is the interesting part, sir. Or always initiated date will be picked up by system. It won't give any control to you. Okay, it won't give you a control to you. Initiated today, by default system will pick up the value. In future you want to initiate, we don't have any schedule something. Okay, open until, so this month I'm initiating. I want to open this event until April 11th working day. Okay, you're initiating today 3 important dates. If you're giving interview also, they will ask this question. Initiation date, open until means you are allowing your employees till when? 4/11/2022. Okay, once employees are allowed to enroll into the 4/11/2022, from when these benefits should be effective for the employee? Immediate after the day. Let's say 12th. Any questions on the screen, sir?
No.
Okay, and here you have a checkbox. Would you like to exclude the employees who serve on waiting period or without eligible for plans? Because of waiting period, if they're not eligible, would you like to skip them? If you select, so automatically system will be skipped. Or if you unselect it, it won't check for any waiting period employees, it will bring them. But of course, you have an option whether to include them or exclude them. Okay, I'm proceeding. Okay. Well, you can read this. You are about to initiate open enrollment. Review the changes, dates. If you're not comfortable with the dates, cancel and proceed and adjust the dates. If everything okay, initiate it. This is a page, sir, most important page. So here, open enrollment we already initiated. So now you have an option. Please don't select done immediately. You have an option called refresh. Select this. You can see the numbers here. Once you refresh, you can see the numbers here gradually. Okay. Refresh. Oh, it's completed. Only 3 employees are eligible. As we know, in this time we have issues. Initially also when we were testing, we noticed that. So total number of employees eligible for all our plans are 3 employees. Not started. Select this checkbox. It will display all the 3 employees. Okay. Now the next step, once it's started, so we have to talk about all these details in detail. Not started means we just initiated, no employee has initiated or started at this moment. In progress means employee started enrolling but not submitted. Submitted means employees already enrolled and submitted. On hold means employee has already an in progress transaction. On top of that, you initiate the open enrollment. So we have to ensure we should make it as 0 always. That's the reason I cancel the events. Closed with changes means we have closed the open enrollment, but still a Ben partner has changed the benefits for an employee. Closed with no changes means we have closed the open enrollment. We have closed the open enrollment, and then on top of we have closed the open enrollment without any changes. Finalized with changes means you have submitted you close the open enrollment window with changes. This is without any changes. Cancelled means some employees may enroll and cancelled. Some employees are enrolled, but you have noticed they're not eligible due to waiting period. You have cancelled. Resigned means some employees are enrolled but removed the plans. Total number of employees are 3. Any questions are here?
No question.
Okay. So now the next thing is total we have 3 employees, right? I have to send a reminders. Here we have actions, sir. Okay. Select this action. And I want to send reminder mails to the people. Select send reminder email. Enrollment events. To whom you want to send a reminder email? Not started yet. Okay, not started them. I want to inform them. Okay, and okay. Now what happens? All these 3 employees, they will receive the reminder mail saying that, oh, there is a open enrollment has been initiated for us. Okay, refresh so that it will shoot out the emails chains, etc. Now I want to do a quick test. Go proxying the employee Logan McNeil whether she received the event or not. Logan McNeil. So make sure that event must be available. If not, then there is an issue in the configuration. We have to troubleshoot. Yeah, there we go. Here we go. There's one initiative is there. I'm selecting. Let's get start. All the events must be available for the employee, medical, etc. Everything is available. Okay, you have to double check, make sure all the events has been triggered or not. Okay, and then you have to enroll in each one. Current I will save for later, because the open enrollment we have to discuss in detail. It's not in hurry way. So I'm just checking